Welcome back to this Inkscape SVG course. I hope you watched the previous videos on how to create SVG files in Inkscape. So today I'm going to show you how to accomplish a design like this. We're going to change it up a little bit, yeah, but I'll show you how to create a design like this very easily. The first thing we're going to do, we'll go to Google to get a basketball image. Okay, I search for basketball clip art, and then I see different ones, but we want vectors like those that we can trace. You can go to clip art places that give free clip arts. Let's see this one. Let me see. Yeah, let's see this one. Let's click on it. Okay, I think this one will work. I'm going to right click and copy the image and bring it into my Inkscape document. Right click again and I'll paste it. Okay, here it is. Here and I'm going to show you how to trace really quick, but if you want to see more a video where I only teach tracing, you can click on the link that you will see pop up on this video. Okay, let's go in. I have this image right here. I'm going to select it and go to path, trace bitmap. Okay, we see it here, and then I will apply everything that I see here, and it comes over it. You see it, make a copy, and then I will right click. Okay, I don't have to ungroup anything. Okay, do not have to ungroup anything. So this is the one from online, from Google, and this is my copy. I can see that because I see the color change, the color of the fill here. When I make it red, you see it's red too, but this one I can make this red. I cannot make this one red. You see, nothing happens because it's not a pad from Inkscape. This is just an image from Google, but this one is the traced one, is a pad from Inkscape, so I can manipulate the color. You see that? Okay, I have it already. You know, you see the white part where the orange is supposed to be? It's not here, but I want that part, so I'm going to break it apart. Like when I break it apart, all the openings here will be filled. It will pop out, you can say. And then the background will be left. The background will be flattened, like left. And the inside here, every inside with a closed wall on 4 sides, you know, everything is closed, it will pop out. So this part will pop out, this part. That's when I use break it apart. I select it, I go to pad, and we go to break it apart. You see that? You can see the parts already. I will deselect it, and the bottom will come to the top, and the parts that came out, that popped out, will be in the bag. So I will remove it, and you see the parts that I was telling you, these parts they popped out of the hollowed image that we had. Okay, I'm going to not delete yet. I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to combine them, so that they stay together. And I'll start to make it orange. And this we will use. Let me make this another color. We will use that one too. And this one we can throw this away, like delete it. So I'm going to my text, and I'll write down mom. I'm going to use the font. Let me see. Let me write down mom. I'm using small letters. And then I'm going to look for a font here. The name is Varsity Regular. You can find this font on thefont.com. Okay? You can download it from there and install it into your computer. if you don't know how to install a font into your computer, I have a video right beside, like 2 videos beside this one. You will see it where you can download and install a font into your computer. And I will select it, and I have mom here. Okay. Okay, you see the word mom. Let me remove this, put it aside for now. Actually, I don't need the O. I will double click on it to get the cursor back, and I will delete the O. And I only need this one. So this word, I'm going to make it, turn it to path, like what we always do. Path. And then I'll go to object, and I'll ungroup it. So I have 2 separate. Actually, I need only one. Actually, we need only one. We can duplicate it. Okay. This mom right here. I want to make it fat. You see, you can make it fat, or you can leave it like this. To make it fat, you right click on it, and you can go to path, offset, like to make it fat. You see, it's become fatter. Let's go back to offset. Outset. You see outset right here, and this is the shortcut. So you can use the shortcut, and you can click on it so many times, the amount of times you want. Okay, we need outset, and we will click this. So I'll keep it selected. I hold Control and the bracket. Let me see. Come on, yeah. And it will get fatter and fatter. You see that? It's getting fatter. Getting fatter. Okay, you see we almost got the same M by doing this. Okay, and I'll put it here, and I'll duplicate it. Control D. Duplicate, Control D. You can do it on your keyboard. Control D, and I'll put it on this side. And I want to align them, so I'll select both. And you know where we align. Align is under object. Most of the things are under object. Ungroup, send to the back, lower to bottom, flip horizontally and stuff. They are under here. And I want to align. I'm going to open the align panel, and it's opened on this side. And you see, most of the time we use these two under each other and aligned horizontally. In this case, we want to align it horizontally, like straight like this. So I'll click on that, and you see they came. Okay, to get this basketball in here and cut out like this, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Right now, let me see. I need this circle, so this circle and the basketball should be the same size. I'll select this, and I'll send it to the back. I'll send it to the back. Where are you? Let's go lower to bottom. Lower to bottom. And I align these two so that they are together. I'll group them because I need them to cut out in here. And I'll bring it here. I'll bring it to the front with home on your computer. It's too big, so I'll make it smaller. Okay, I don't like it. I'm going to lock this thing here. Lock it so that it stays in proportion. I'm going to lock it and bring it. Put it in here. It's too small. Okay, let's say we want the basketball like this. I'm going to align it in the middle of these two. I need to group these two first. Come on. Group them. And then we're gonna align them with align it with the ball. Like this. Okay, you see that? Okay, now I'm going to ungroup the ball again. And now I need this black the background that we had right there. Let's go in this background. I need it to cut out a place for the orange part. Okay, So I'm going to, let me see, I think I grouped these. They shouldn't be grouped, they should be united. If you don't unite it, it won't cut. If you group it, it won't cut. You have to unite it so that you can cut it. I will take this brown part, not the orange, the other part. This one here. Okay, let's make it yellow so that you can see it. And I will select it and I hold shift and I'll select the M here and I'll go to pad and I'll choose difference. With difference you cut. You see that? So I have the basketball inside. You see, you can take it. You see that? I have it there. So it's so easy for your customer to layer. We have that. And then basketball, I'll just choose another font. I'll go here and I'll write the word down. Basketball. Okay. And then you can choose a font. I need to change this default font. You can even choose this. But let's see if we can find another font. Let's see what other font we can use. Cute font. Let's see this font. Okay, I'll take this font. So you see, this is calligraphy. It's just like handwriting. You select it, you go to pad, and you use object to pad. You need to turn it into pad, okay? And then this object you will ungroup. And after you ungroup it, you can go in and arrange it. Like arrange it really well. Like this part. You can move it a little bit more to the B. You see that? Okay. And this to this part you can move it more and make it one with this one. You see? Go to the B, select it, move it with your arrow that shows to the right, so that it can be one whole piece, okay? And then you select everything and then you unite it. Don't group it, don't combine it, unite it. So it will be one whole piece, okay? And then we will make it smaller and place it over here. Place it over here. Let's say we group the mom and the basketball together, and then we select the both, and then we can align them again. Now we're going to align them with the vertical axis, and you make this black. Okay, and then you have your file and you group it. So you see, we created one like this one, but we use another font on here. Okay, and then you can delete it. Let's save it. Make it smaller. In this case, I would put my page into. I would put my page in landscape. File, document properties. I will turn it to landscape, and I will choose 8.5 by 11. Okay, and it's already changed. Let's go there. You can go to your page with number 5. Click number 5 to go to your page, and then you can align it really well. So we have our SVG. Let's save it. File, save as, in downloads. Basketball mom, plain SVG, and then you saved it as a SVG, right? And then we want to export it as a PNG. You go to file, export, right here, and then this opens here, and you choose page. We have the DPI already. We have the size. This stands for 11 by 8.5, 11, 3 times 11, 300 times 11, you know. And then you choose where you want to save it in. I'll save it in like downloads, like I said, and I click save. Yeah, and it's exported. Let's go here really quick, and then here we see it. The SVG is right here, and the PNG. Okay, and then you can click both, select both, right click, and then zip it, compress. You see, and now it's in a zip file, and this is what you're gonna upload on there on Etsy. I'll show you how to create a mockup for this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep watching. I have more SVG files coming, showing you how to create different files, so that by the time you open your Etsy shop, you will be able to fill it with different designs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.